how to take JPG photos on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to take JPG photos on an iPhone. If you want to take photos in JPEG format on your iPhone instead of HEIC, here's how you can do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the camera option and tap on it. Inside the camera settings, you will find an option called Formats. Tap on Formats, and you will notice two choices: high efficiency and most compatible. By default, high efficiency is selected, which means your iPhone will save pictures in the HEIC format. While HEIC saves space, it can be difficult to view or share on some devices, like Android or Windows computers. To make sure your photos are saved as JPGs, simply select Most Compatible. Once this option is enabled, your iPhone will automatically take and store pictures in JPEG format, which is widely supported across all devices. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.